Today, you make up.
And what we will do better. Care professionals. We are women. Yes. The women who held the system together were the men of this movement, not against. Are you thinking of... Ladies, can we adopt a shared advocacy agenda that transcends our individual professions? One that champions safe workplaces free from harassment and discrimination, one that promotes leadership opportunities for women at every level of healthcare, one that advocates for mentorship and career development for students and young professionals, one that supports work environments that acknowledge the realities of motherhood, caregiving, and work-life integration, ensuring that women in healthcare speak with one voice on the issues that shape our profession and our patients' lives. Evidence-based advocacy, gender equity in leadership, women as architects of national health policy, not just its implementers.
Those who are aspiring to work for the Ministry of Health, when you see an advert, please put in your name. There is no job in this country that is kept for somebody. Those jobs are yours. When we want directors in the Ministry of Health, please put in your name. That is how we elevate and we get the women at the cream and at the leadership positions. If you have ever fought for a patient's reproductive rights, then this is where you belong. Don't go looking for any other caucus. You belong here because we have all of you. You are the people who are going to advance MPDSR in your counties, in your facilities. You are the people who have the mandate and the skill to save anybody in this country.